HEXEUM telescope for adults and beginner astronomers, a comprehensive review. Stargazing is a magical way to connect with the universe, and the HEXEUM telescope for adults and beginner astronomers makes it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. This 80mm aperture telescope is perfect for those stepping into the world of astronomy or casual stargazers looking to explore the moon, planets, and brighter stars. One of the standout features of this telescope is its excellent quality optics. The 600mm focal length and fully multi-coated lenses ensure bright and sharp images. The package includes two eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, for 24x and 60x magnification and a 3x Barlow lens to boost magnification up to an impressive 180x, making lunar and planetary observation a breeze. Portability and ease of use are key advantages of the HEXEUM telescope. With a lightweight design, 6.04 pounds, a durable aluminum tripod, and a carrying bag, it's easy to transport and set up wherever you go. Beginners will appreciate the no-tool assembly, which allows for quick setup, and the included wireless remote and phone adapter make capturing celestial images a fun experience. While the HEXEUM telescope excels in many areas, it's not designed for advanced astronomers. Deep sky objects may not appear as detailed as they would with higher-end models, but this is a minor limitation given its affordability. Pros: beginner-friendly setup with no tools required. Excellent optical performance for its price. Portable and lightweight design. Includes useful accessories like a Barlow lens and phone adapter. Great value for money. Cons: limited capability for deep sky exploration. Not suitable for professional astronomers. If you're searching for a reliable and affordable telescope to start your stargazing journey, the HEXEUM telescope is a fantastic choice. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.